In this video, I'll show you how to save in Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and open the PDF file you want to work with. You can do this by clicking File, then Open, and selecting the PDF from your device. After you make changes to a PDF, it is important to save the file so your work does not get lost. This includes changes like adding text, filling out a form, signing a document, highlighting information, inserting images, adding comments, organizing pages, or editing existing content. The simplest way to save your PDF is to use the regular Save option. Click File in the top menu, then choose Save. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac. When you choose Save, Adobe Acrobat updates the same PDF file with your latest changes. This is useful when you are sure you no longer need the original version, and you want the current file to include all edits. If you want to keep the original PDF unchanged, use Save As instead. Click File, then choose Save As. This lets you create a new copy of the document while keeping the original file safe. After clicking Save As, choose where you want to store the new file. You can save it to your desktop, Documents folder, Downloads folder, External drive, or a cloud storage location. Next, enter a clear file name. For example, you can add words like edited, signed, completed, or final to the file name. This makes it easier to find the correct version later. Then click Save. Adobe Acrobat will create a new PDF copy that includes your changes. If you are working with a PDF stored in Adobe Cloud Storage, OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox, or another connected service, make sure the file has finished syncing before closing Acrobat. This helps prevent missing edits or outdated versions. If Acrobat asks whether you want to save changes before closing the document, choose Save if you want to keep your edits. Choose Don't Save only if you want to close the file without keeping the changes. Before you finish, reopen or preview the saved PDF. Check your text, form fields, signatures, comments, images, highlights, and page order to make sure everything looks correct. And that's how you save in Adobe Acrobat using Save or Save As. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.